reduce migraines and improve sleep, improve hair loss. 5 minutes a day. Reduce dizziness, tinnitus, and improve sleep. Improve hair loss. 5 minutes a day. Cool, weak lung. Enhance memory and delay brain aging. Reduce fatigue and lift your spirits. Activate parasympathetic nerve. Good sleep. 5 to 10 minutes a day. Open blood vessels throughout the body. Clean up vascular garbage. Lower high blood pressure. Prevent stroke. Relieve your tension and anxiety. Improve sleep. 10 minutes a day. Try it. Relax the nerves. Care for your liver. Repair knee damage. Relieve pain. If your knees are cold and weak, you can also try it. 5 to 10 minutes a day. Need a bit of practice until the rub is warm up. Prevent osteoporosis. Vibrate the spine to improve spinal health. Improve kidney function. 36 times a day. Inhale, heel, lift, exhale, fall. Develop your brain wisdom. Reduce shoulder and neck pain. 49 times each side. 300 times a day. Boost energy and immunity. Improve blood circulation to the brain. Reduce headache and dizziness. Reduce your stress. Relax your nerves. Dilate blood vessels and reduce hypertension. Five to 10 minutes a day. Walk with your mind. If your mind cannot be at peace, try it. improve the whole body chi and blood circulation, physical and mental relaxation. 10 minutes a day. Imagine you are walking in the air, the wind is pushing, you are relaxed and comfortable. This is a great exercise if you have shoulder and neck problems. Once you practice, you feel comfortable. Twelve times each side, 1 seat, 3 seats a day. Top Shengshu Point. Improve kidney function and reduce urination. $200 times a day.